honey, butter, garlic glazed salmon bites. Your eyes are not deceiving you at this moment. What you see is what you get. This is pressure. This is special. A easy but elegant dish right here. And you know I am about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste any more time and get right on into it. Let's get started. So I'm gonna begin with this beautiful skinless salmon fillet. I'm just gonna take my knife and slice it into bite-sized pieces. And if you haven't already, don't forget to let YouTube know you're enjoying the content by smashing that like button. So once we have our salmon sliced up, we are just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on them bad boys. And you know how we do. We gotta get those hands in there and give it a luxurious massage, all right? Go ahead and get in there and take care of business. Once we have them all massaged up and whatnot, we have to, it's a must, we have to season them up proper. So on the screen I have listed everything you need to do. So go ham, go crazy, be generous with the seasoning, you know, and just, you know, rub it all in like I'm doing right here on the screen. Moving on, I have my pan to about, I would say a medium to a medium high. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on there. So what I'm looking to do here is sear the salmon on both sides, just like so. I'm doing it in 2 batches. I do have more bites set off to the side. So once you have a nice beautiful crust on that first side, go ahead and give it a flip and sear up that second side. Once that's taken care of, go ahead and move it on to the side and get the rest of your salmon bites going as well. Once we have that second batch seared up, we are gonna work on that yummy honey butter garlic glaze. So here I'm removing the remainder of the bites from the pan and moving them to the side. Again, I got my heat to about a medium. And now I'm gonna drop in a little bit of minced garlic as well as a little bit of unsalted butter. We're gonna go ahead and let that melt down a little bit. And we are gonna add a little bit of honey as well. And I did forget something here. It'll be awesome if you add in about a tablespoon of some soy sauce as well. That would really set it off here, but regardless, still came out amazing. So I'm just gonna mix all of these ingredients together, let it simmer for a little bit, and we are then gonna reintroduce all of our salmon bites right into this pan. And once we have our salmon bites in this pan, we're gonna let them basically finish cooking, all right? Because, you know, they're pretty much raw in the middle at this point. You want to make sure they are fully cooked. So we are gonna let them go for about, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Simmering in this sauce right here. and we are gonna kind of baste it. You know, you're gonna see me do it right here in a second. I'm gonna take some of that yummy sauce. I'm just gonna spoon it right on top as our salmon bites are simmering. Almost like you would baste a steak. I'm just basting it with this yummy honey butter garlic glaze right here. Oh my goodness. So like I said, you want to go ahead and do this for about 3-4 minutes or until your salmon bites are fully cooked and you are ready to plate up. This is so easy. I am letting you know. Takes no effort at all. You can, you know, plate this up with some veggies, some rice, whatever you choose. Some mashed potatoes will be bomb as well. But the options are pretty much endless. So this is the end result. Beautiful honey butter salmon glaze bites. And look at the insides, how they glisten. Oh my goodness. So delicious. I hope you all try this recipe out. If you enjoyed this video, like I said, you gotta smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. I drop all the time. And I will see you on the next one. Deuces.